Welcome to our channel. Today, we're going to talk about the power of investing and how it can help you become a millionaire. Whether you're a beginner or an experienced investor, this video will provide you with valuable insights and strategies to help you achieve your financial goals. Investing is the key to building wealth and achieving financial independence. It allows your money to work for you and provides the potential for your wealth to grow over time. By making smart investment decisions, you can significantly increase your net worth and create a path to becoming a millionaire. There are various types of investments, including stocks, bonds, real estate, and mutual funds. Each investment option comes with its own risk and return potential. It's important to diversify your portfolio and consider your investment goals and risk tolerance when choosing where to invest your money. To become a millionaire through investing, it's crucial to develop a solid investment strategy. This may include setting clear financial goals, conducting thorough research, and staying disciplined in your investment approach. Additionally, it's essential to stay informed about market trends and seek professional advice when needed. One of the most powerful tools in investing is compounding. When you reinvest the returns generated from your investments, your wealth has the potential to grow exponentially over time. By starting early and consistently contributing to your investment portfolio, you can take advantage of the long-term benefits of compounding. In conclusion, investing is a proven way to build wealth and achieve financial success. By making informed decisions, staying disciplined, and taking advantage of the power of compounding, you can create a path to becoming a millionaire. So start investing today and take control of your financial future.